Hello, welcome to Retrocore AV. It's me, Mark, and yes, I think I owe an apology to the AXIA J'z1. Yeah, now yesterday you may know, or you may not know, depends if you saw the video or not, but I reviewed this cassette along with 3 other AXIA cassettes, and this one ranked pretty poorly. And I think it ranked pretty poorly because of my own fault. Yes, you see, I was told by a lot of people that I shouldn't really follow the manual for this Sony deck. So the Sony deck manual says I should adjust the bias and then the record level and then the EQ when I'm calibrating a setup. But a lot of people said I should just calibrate the bias and then record the record level and then do the EQ once the music starts playing, so I can balance it out to make it sound more like the source. So what we're going to do today is we're going to set this up again and we're going to follow that advice. So let's put the J'z1 into the deck and we'll calibrate it up. Alright, let's get that normal. Okay, let's get calibrating. Ooh, it's already pretty decent, so let's just get that back to normal light. So let's get the bias down so we get everything set. Okay, let's do the record level. Okay, and let's get the bias back up a little bit. I'm going the wrong way, aren't I? What an idiot. Here we go. There you go, that's pretty much there, isn't it? Okay. So, let's record some music onto this tape. Okay, we're going to use the track which I used yesterday. That is Skullfire. That'll really push this tape. Let's see if we can get it sounding close to the source. Now remember, this is an entry-level Type 1 cassette. Well, that was a hell of a lot better than what it performed like yesterday, wasn't it? Yep. Thank you very much, guys, for telling me or showing me how I should bias up this deck, because following your advice, that cassette sounded a lot better than it did yesterday, which means the other 3 cassettes will also sound better. Let's just put it one way, I'm not going to follow that Sony manual anymore. Thanks guys for the information, and if you guys have been doing what I've been doing, don't do it. Play the music and then adjust the recording EQ to get it sounding as close to the source as possible. Alright, so until next time guys, happy taping and enjoy your music. See ya. Bye.